Seneca, I entrust you in delivering this letter personally to Nero. It is my signature. Yes, Petronius.
You must be content with that. My throat hurts.